To prevent an app from using mobile data on your iPhone, we'll first go to Settings, and from there, navigate to Cellular. You can scroll down in the Cellular menu to view the cellular data options and the apps that have been using your data. If you want to prevent an app from using cellular data, you can simply toggle it off from here. I can, for example, toggle off Instagram to prevent it from using mobile data. And now, when I hop on Instagram, it'll tell me that it can't load any content because it's not allowed to use mobile data. Just keep in mind that toggling off mobile data means you won't get notifications or updates from that app when you're not connected to Wi-Fi, so this can affect the app's behavior quite a bit. If you don't want to do anything so invasive, there's a few alternative options to consider. Back in the cellular menu, for example, you'll see something called Wi-Fi Assist. This allows your phone to switch to mobile data when Wi-Fi signal is weak, meaning in some cases, you might be consuming your mobile data even when Wi-Fi is available. You can toggle that off to force your phone to use Wi-Fi whenever Wi-Fi is available. Background refresh is another big thing to look at. This is available under General and Background App Refresh. You'll see a list of all your installed apps, and you can toggle off an app to prevent it from refreshing in the background. Some apps will continuously refresh their content in the background even when you're not using the app, so toggling them off can save both data and battery life. One last thing to look at is under the cellular menu. You can go to Cellular Data Options and change the data mode to Low Data Mode. This reduces data usage by pausing automatic updates and background tasks, but still allows more critical app functions to use mobile data. So that's how you prevent an app from using mobile data. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.